Well, this takes care to, and I'm taking all the time in the first line, but I really want to map in a very summarized way very different territories in which I conducted research and others that I would have wanted to. Let's bring from this here. This particular thing takes Arendt to a close political reading of the aesthetic judgment, which is the following. In aesthetic judgment, we say that something is beautiful. Forget about the bad reputation that the beautiful has now. Think about the way we judge a work of art. Oh, that's good, that's bad. We judge them as if we had a rule that is the stupid joke that I always make. Very long, slow, black and white films are good. So then you go to the movies, and if the film is long and black and white, oh, this is easy. that shows here that you lack judgment. If you expect a rule to solve your opinions about works of art, you lack a judgment of taste, we can say. So how come that we lack the rule, and we leave the movies and say, sometimes you don't just say, I like it. With Norman and James, you can have this conversation forever. They could like films that they would very, very reasonably tell you, but it's bad. I love that film, but it's bad. What does it mean? Or, I didn't like that film, but it's really good. I think it's good. You should see it. But I didn't like it because of this. What is happening there? Something subjective, that is the impression that the film made on you. And your judgment, universalizing judgment, that is beautiful. You're not saying, I liked it, you're saying, it's a good film. It's a good film. What does it mean? The gap between those two things, and I'm not going to get into the details of the critique of judgment, you're going to do that several times during the year, is that what you're saying is neither just subjective nor just objective. You're not saying anything about the film, anything that comes from the film itself. To be good film is not an objective characteristic of the film, and it's also not just the subjective impression that the film made on you. Because you can clearly say, I like that film, but it's bad, or I didn't like that film, but it's good. What are you doing? You are, in Kant terms, you are enlarging your mind. You are using your imagination, and you're saying, from a curator perspective, this, that, and that, you're doing that spontaneously. That's the word, also. The film is good, although you subjectively didn't like it. This is the way you do. So you generalize your judgment about something, aesthetics, works of art, but in Arendt, and according to Arendt in Kant too, this also happens in politics.